Hey guys, I wanted to wrap up today's review. So this is day 2. I've been using these shoes. So if you saw yesterday's video, I ran 2 miles. I'll post a link up here and in the description so you see that video. That was the unboxing and the initial run. So now this is day 2 of these guys. They're holding up really well. Today I did a CrossFit class. It was a super basic class. So we had 6 rounds, 400-meter run, 25 burpees. These held up great. You know, I'll say, if you look at the back, if you look at the heel, now this is going to be something, it's a give and take, right? So I've got the stretchiness of the material, but on the flip side, the foot does tend to slide forward a little bit, especially on the burpees. So burpees, push-ups, things like that, you're going to feel your foot, your toe slide. It's not uncomfortable, but then you have this little like extra flap at the back on the heel. So I still think they're amazing for standard running, straight ahead running, jumping, jump rope, any of that stuff. If you're doing a lot of agilities, if you're doing some lateral shuffles, shuttle runs, if you're doing some quick start stop, probably gonna feel a little bit, you know, of your foot sliding in the shoe. But other than that, super happy. Day 2 is in the books. Let's check out day 3 tomorrow. Guys, I'll catch you in the next video.